Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the essentials. OBS installed, YouTube stream key ready, and resolution set. Open OBS and choose a new scene, name it for this YouTube event. Add sources immediately, display, window, or video capture device for your webcam. Once done, set your audio mixer tracks, desktop, and microphone so you can monitor levels. Make sure to paste the stream key into OBS's stream settings now before moving to scenes and overlays. Now you build the middle, scene composition and encoding. In OBS, assemble each scene with layered sources, webcam on top, browser alerts, and a media playlist for intro. Next, open output settings, choose encoder and set bitrate based on upload speed. You want headroom, so test with 80% of your bandwidth. Configure keyframe interval to 2 and profile to high. For audio, add filters, noise suppression, and compressor to keep voice clear. Once stable, rehearse switching scenes and hotkeys. You're at the finish line. Verify YouTube's preview and stream health, then click Start Streaming in OBS. Simultaneously hit Start Recording if you want a local backup with a higher bitrate. During the live show, use Studio Mode to preview scene transitions and Chat Monitor for viewer feedback. If issues appear, dropped frames, audio lag, pause and switch to a lower bitrate or alternate encoder or reduce FPS. One key tip: always test a short private stream first to validate settings before public streaming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.